Hi there, my name is Felicitas Kushlango and I am going to teach a mindfulness practice. And if you are a member of LMHF, I would like to ask you to watch the entire video. And if you can put your name in the comment section once you've watched it, then LMHF can check it and then they will delete your name or any comment that you make after that. And if you have watched my introduction to mindfulness video, that would be great because it gives you a little bit more of a overview of how to do this practice. So today we're just going to do a short practice rather than giving you all the explanations. So there is the video Introduction to Mindfulness, which is about 22-25 minutes long, and today I will try to keep this practice under 10 minutes. And so if you can do this every day at home for the next 3 weeks, that would be wonderful, because probably by then you will find that meditation can be very powerful and beneficial. So I invite you to come sitting on a chair and taking a comfortable position. So you want to make sure that your spine is straight, and we're going to do just a couple of short stretches and a centering exercise so that you can relax your body. So let's start with taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale, long exhalation. Inhale, draw the breath to the lower belly. Exhale. And one more deep breath. Inhale, exhale. And now I invite you to imagine that your breath can flow all the way down to your feet. And then feel your feet for a moment. Feel your toes, your heels, the arches of your feet. And then I invite you to imagine that you have roots growing from your feet, and those roots go through any floors that are underneath you all the way until they touch the live earth. So feel that sense of connection, of groundedness, truly arrive to the space where you're at. And then I invite you to imagine that you have a little cord that is going from the crown of your head and is connecting all the way to a star above. And there's a little tug on that cord, and you naturally lift up your spine, elongate your spine, so that your upper body feels very buoyant, strong and present. And then I invite you to take a moment to notice any sensations that are present in your body right now. Maybe you feel some tension. If you feel that there are areas of tension, notice if you can soften them by bringing your breath in your mind's eye to those areas and feel them relaxing. And you may also find that your body has areas that feel very relaxed, and then release deeper into that relaxation without losing that strength in your spine. And then just for a moment I invite you to bring the chin to the chest and release your head down. Just let your head hang there for a moment. And you want to relax your jaw, so you want to separate the lower teeth from the upper teeth. You want to relax your eyes. Maybe you want to relax them so much that you can feel your eyelashes on the skin of your face. And then soften your face and very slowly lift the chin back up. And then release your head back. And here I invite you to open your mouth so that You can relax your jaw a little bit more. And then come back center. And now I invite you to take a deep breath into the back of your lungs. So feel the beautiful soft tissue of your lungs. Feel the breath flowing into the back of your lungs. And then notice if you can relax your shoulders a little bit more. And then I invite you to keep your eyes slightly open and bring your gaze about 4 or 5 feet in front of you towards the ground. You don't want to focus on any particular spot, but you want to have a very soft gaze. And now we want to start our practice by stabilizing our mind and counting the breath. So you want to count each breath internally, quietly within yourself. So inhaling 1, exhaling 1, inhaling 2, exhaling 2, and so forth, until you reach the 10th breath. And then you want to start from 1 again. As you're counting the breath, you feel that inevitably there will be some thinking that will happen. You may think about something that happened to you today, or something that you're upset about, or you may find some emotions are coming up. And if that is the case, which most likely it will be, just allow thinking and emotions to be there for a moment. So honor them, acknowledge them, welcome them, but then make the choice to come back to what we decided our object of attention is, counting the breath. So I'm going to ring the gong, and we're going to stay in this silence for about 5 minutes. And when you feel that you get distracted, don't worry about it. Just come back, start from 1 again. Counting the breath. Count 10 breaths and then start from 1 again. Whenever the mind starts to wander into the past or to the future, kindly bring the mind back to our object of attention, counting the breath. As you're sitting there, relax your shoulders, soften your face. If your eyes get tired, just allow them to close for a few moments, and then allow them to gently open up again, keeping that very soft gaze about 4 or 5 feet in front of you. mind wanders, kindly bring it back, counting the breath. And as you transition back into your day or evening, just take a moment to breathe in peacefulness and breathe out peacefulness. Just allowing that quality of peacefulness to be present in your body, in your mind. And as you breathe out, breathing it into all of your environments. Thank you, and be well.